Imagine this. Stock market graphs exploding in green, Lamborghinis cruising past skyscrapers, and Gen Z glued to their phones, scrolling, swiping, but also quietly building empires. Somewhere right now, a 22-year-old just made more in 10 minutes than most make in a week. And no, they didn't win the lottery, get funded by their parents, or go viral on TikTok. They just know how to use AI tools that do the heavy lifting while they sleep. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you're not using the same tools they are. But you're about to. In this video, I'll show you 5 insanely powerful AI tools that will help you build income, automate work, and live a life that looks unfair to most people. And the best part? Most people don't even know these tools exist yet. Stick around, because tool number 4, it might replace your entire 9 to 5. Unless, of course, you're emotionally attached to your alarm clock. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the AI revolution that's shaping the next generation of millionaires. Let's kick things off with the Swiss Army knife of AI, GPT-4o. If you still think GPT is just a chatbot, you're about to get your mind blown. GPT-4o isn't your average digital assistant. It's the business partner that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never asks for a raise. It will write your sales copy, brainstorm business ideas, and even negotiate deals if you ask it the right way. Picture this, you want to launch an ebook, but writing isn't your thing. GPT-4o can outline, draft, and even edit your entire book in a single sitting. Or maybe you dream of running a faceless YouTube channel. GPT-4o can write scripts, generate titles, and even suggest thumbnails. Want a landing page for your new business? Type in your idea and GPT-4o spits out copy that converts like magic. But here's where things get wild. GPT-4o is multimodal. That means it doesn't just understand text. It can process images, interpret charts, and even listen to audio. Imagine uploading a photo of your product and GPT-4o instantly writing a killer sales pitch tailored to your audience, or feeding it a voice memo and getting a blog post ready to publish. And the use cases don't stop there. People are using GPT-4o to automate customer support, build email newsletters, and even create chatbots that handle all the boring tasks you hate. It's like cloning your brain, but your clone works 24/7 and never asks for weekends off. Time is money, and GPT-4o gives you both back in spades. The urgency: every day you put off using this, someone else is building their fortune with it. The window for early adopters is closing fast, so whether you want to write books, start a blog, launch a product, or build an audience, GPT-4o is the engine. But here's the twist. What if you could turn those words into not just text, but full-blown videos, ready for your next upgrade? Let's jump into the future of video creation. If you think making viral videos means hiring actors, renting gear, and spending hours editing, welcome to 2025, where AI does the heavy lifting. Enter Pika Labs and Sora AI. These are the tools turning simple text prompts into cinematic video scenes, and they're the backbone of the new Faceless video goldmine. Here's how it works. You type in a story or idea, literally a few sentences, and Pika Labs or Sora AI spits out a full video. We're talking business explainers, storytelling channels, viral TikTok and YouTube reels, all generated in minutes, no cameras, no crew, no drama. Want to launch a YouTube channel with zero on-camera presence? Done. Need explainer videos for your business but don't want to spend thousands on freelancers? Easy. Imagine launching a motivational channel, a daily news recap, or even a meme account. All faceless, all powered by AI. And here's the thing, these tools don't just save you time, they multiply your reach. Need 10 videos a day instead of 1? Just change the prompt. Want to test different styles or niches? The AI adapts instantly. Think of it like having a film studio in your laptop, minus the budget headaches. Let's have some fun. Remember those old school days when you'd watch behind the scenes of movies and see 100 people running around with clipboards? Now, it's just you, in your pajamas, with a coffee and a laptop. Sorry, Hollywood, you just got automated. Want your videos to go viral on every platform? Use these AI-generated clips as hooks, teasers, or even full episodes. Your content pipeline goes from barely keeping up to everywhere at once. And the best part, nobody even knows it's AI from script to screen. So if you've ever dreamed of multiplying your content and dominating every social feed, these tools are your secret weapon. But what if you could take one video and turn it into a dozen viral shorts? Time to meet your new cloning machine. Okay, let's get real. Making content is hard, but making the same content go viral again and again on every platform, that's where Opus Clip comes in. A tool that's basically your digital twin, but with way more energy and zero need for coffee. Opus Clip takes your long-form video, maybe it's a podcast, a lecture or a stream, and slices it up into bite-sized, viral-ready shorts. But it's not just chopping at random. This tool uses AI to find the most emotional, shareable and high-impact moments. It adds captions, jump cuts, emojis and effects automatically. Imagine uploading a 30-minute video and getting back 15 shorts, each one optimized to grab attention and spark shares. No more guessing which part will hook viewers. The AI knows. And it's ruthless. If you say something boring, it skips it. If you drop a knowledge bomb, it zooms in, adds fire emojis and slaps on captions that pop. Here's where it gets really wild. Opus Clip studies viral trends and adapts your clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels and more. You're literally everywhere all at once without lifting a finger. It's like cloning yourself, but your clones are way cooler on camera. Let's be honest. If you've ever wished you could multiply yourself and work on 10 things at once, congrats, your wish is granted. Just don't try to invite your Opus clones to dinner. They're way too busy chasing views. And you know what else? This is how creators are building entire businesses in 60 seconds flat. Take a podcast, chop it up, post to every platform, and just watch the subscribers roll in. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you want to build a digital brand, launch a product, or just blow up your audience, Opus Clip is your shortcut. But what if you don't even have a business yet? What if you could build one? In less time than it takes to make coffee. Time for the ultimate AI business hack. What if I told you that starting a business doesn't take weeks or even hours? With durable AI, you can literally build an entire business in 30 seconds. I'm talking website, logo, service page, contact form, the whole shebang. All you need is an idea. Here's how it works. Type in your business idea, hit generate, and durable AI does the rest. Want to launch a digital agency, a dog walking service, an online store? Watch as Durable spits out a polished website, a brandable logo, service descriptions, and even a contact form that works right out of the box. You don't need to design, code, or write a single line of copy. Durable uses AI to craft everything. Colors, fonts, layouts, even the sales pitch. In the time it takes to scroll TikTok, your business is live. Oh, and did I mention people are using this to sell services they don't even fulfill themselves? Outsource the work, keep the profits. Let's get cheeky. Remember when building a website meant hiring a designer, a developer, and a copywriter? Now, you just need yourself, or maybe just your idea. The AI does the rest while you chill and watch your digital empire rise. The real kicker? Durable AI isn't just about speed, it's about opportunity. The person who launches 10 businesses in a week wins. The person who waits for everything to be perfect, well, they're still staring at a blank page. But here's the deal. Everyone's using these cookie-cutter sites now. How do you stand out? How do you make your brand look premium, pro, and irresistible at a glance? You need visuals that sell. And that's exactly where we're going next. Let's talk about the secret sauce of every successful brand visuals. You've got the business, you've got the product, but if your design looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint, good luck. Enter Leonardo AI. The tool that turns you into a pro designer, even if your only experience is changing fonts on Canva. Leonardo AI lets you create jaw-dropping thumbnails, product mock-ups, social media posts, and complete brand identities in minutes. It's like having a world-class design team in your pocket, minus the expensive invoices. Just type what you need. Make me a thumbnail that screams, "Click me," or design a logo that looks like $1 million. Leonardo delivers instantly. Want to launch an Instagram brand? Need viral YouTube thumbnails? Looking for a logo that actually stands out? This AI generates dozens of options, refines them based on your feedback, and gives you export-ready files. Seriously, you'll look like you hired a Madison Avenue agency. To everyone who spent hours dragging boxes and picking fonts in Canva, your skills were not in vain. But let's be honest, Leonardo just lapped you while you were still picking a gradient. But it's not just about looking good. In the digital world, design equals trust. A polished brand gets clicks, conversions, and sales. Leonardo AI makes sure your business looks premium, even if you built it in 30 seconds with Durable. From polished ad creatives to killer product shots, this tool is your unfair advantage. Combine it with everything you've learned today, and you're not just playing the game, you're rigging it in your favor. Ready to look like $1 million, sell like a pro, and make your competition wonder what hit them? Leonardo is your secret weapon. But remember, these tools are only as powerful as the person using them. And right now, that's you. You've just unlocked 5 of the most powerful AI tools in existence. They don't just save time, they save years of struggle. With these in your arsenal, you can automate, build, and scale like the world's top creators and entrepreneurs, without burning out or breaking the bank. You now have what most people will ignore until it's too late. The difference between those who win and those who watch: action. So here's your crossroad. Scroll away and stay the same, or subscribe and transform. Because the next video you watch could literally change your financial trajectory. Click here to watch top 5 free AI tools that feel illegal to know. It's not just another list, it's your unfair advantage. I'll see you there.